Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind these are journal readings, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey, okay? So let's start, and this is a reading from 11th till the 21st of October. Cool, let's start, Taurus. Your partner's current energy right now is, let me see. Your partner's current energy right now is the Wheel of Fortune. Ta-da! I feel like your partner right now is not thinking about the future, not thinking about the past, and they are just going with the flow, trying to go with the flow with time. Okay, this is what they are experiencing right now or doing right now. And I feel like the tables are turning in their favor. I feel like this person is feeling some kind of luck in their life. They are feeling like they are experiencing certain kind of good luck or good luck energy in their current circle right now or current energy right now. This is the Wheel of Fortune. They are feeling very lucky, very happy, and I feel like there is certain kind of, turning of events that is making them really happy. Wheel of Fortune is here, lucky card, luckiest card in the deck, you can say. Okay, the tables are turning in their favor, and things might not get their way right now, but things will soon be going their way. Okay, this is happening. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune in their current energy. Let me see. Seven of Cups and the Three of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune again. Okay, I feel like this person is feeling lucky because they are having lots of options work-wise in their life, and they are overwhelmed by these actions or these options that they are getting. I feel like this person is definitely feeling lucky because the work is really good and they are having options regarding their work, and that's why this person is feeling exceptionally lucky because they are feeling like finally the options are opening up for them. Finally they are getting the work that they deserve or that they desire, and they are feeling like now the tables are turning in their favor. Slowly but surely this is happening. But yes, this is happening because the Wheel of Fortune here is 2 times. So this person right now is going through extremely lucky period of their life. So, and it is related to work. Not right now might be, but they are soon to experience a certain kind of luck. Okay, they are soon to experience that. Nice energy, very beautiful energy of luck favoring their work, hard work, or favoring their manifestation. Something is very beautiful regarding their work life. Okay, cool. Let's see what's your current energy, Taurus. Let's see what's your current energy. Nine of Cups. Okay, Taurus. I feel like you are feeling in love, or you are feeling love for somebody, or you just want to give this red roses to somebody. Okay, there's horse behind you and there's red roses that you are carrying. This is you. Okay, this is the energy of you. So this is your energy, you can say, right? So basically I feel like you are ready to offer some kind of love to somebody, or you are just ready to have love in your life. This is certain kind of energy where you are just ready and you are having lots of love for somebody. You are carrying lots of love for somebody. You just want to propose to them, or you just want to have a proposal from their side. This is what is happening with your current energy. You are deeply in love with somebody. It is like not mature love as of now, because this is the Knight, and Knights are generally very passionate, and Knight of Cups especially is very passionate and sensitive and emotional too. So this is emotional kind of love. This is not that love of lust kind of love. This is emotional. Let me clarify the Knight of Cups in your current energy. 4 of Cups and the 9 of Pentacles and the 2 of Pentacles. Okay, although you're having, now I'm feeling like you are having options in your life regarding your love life, and you're very confused, very bored actually. You're not able to see who actually loves you, or who is faking it, or who is just not concerned about the love part, who is just lustful. You are literally confused. You are feeling love, That's for sure. And love offers are coming to you, but you are not sure. You are not sure about what is, good for you or what is bad for you. So you're trying to shift your focus on your money part or business part or job part or work part or whatever you're doing. You're trying your best to shift your focus towards the money part right now. And I feel like might be you're having more than one work in your life, or more than, one option in your life, and you're juggling like this. What should I do, what should I do, what should I do? This is happening with you guys. Okay, so there are options in your life. There are love offers coming in your life. There are certain kind of love offers in your life, but you're not able to decide which is good, which is bad. So you are trying to shift your focus to a money part, job part, business part, or work part, and especially your money part, and you're juggling. So I feel like you are having options, and that's why regarding this. Give me a second. You are having options in your love life. That's why you are struggling, constantly struggling. Which one is good? Which one should I choose? What should I do? Should I shift my focus to my work, or should I just, stay here with this person, with that person? Okay, that is good. That was good. That is nice. This is your state of mind right now. Knight of Cups energy is, yeah, you're having love around you. I can see that. And you want to give this love to somebody. I can see that also. But you're constantly juggling between them and between somebody else, or between them or between your work, between them and your work. Okay, this is constant juggling situation. Either you want to offer some kind of love to somebody, or somebody else is coming towards you with love. There's certain kind of confusion regarding your love life right now. Okay, cool, got it. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. By the word your person, it is somebody who is coming to your mind when you are looking at this video. Okay, when you're watching this video. So this is the person. I just have a white hair here, like gray hair, right? Please ignore that. Yeah, I'm getting older and wiser. Cool. Let me see what this person feels for you. The Tower. Oops. I feel there is certain kind of realization that they are suddenly getting. I feel like this person got the Tower moment. This is a breakup thing also. I feel like this person is suddenly realizing something that was not at all in their mind, or in their circle, or in their environment, but they're suddenly realizing something or feeling something. Let me see what this something is. But there is the Tower moment. So this falling apart, and there is a new start. Obviously, the Tower for some is a breakup thing. It is not always a breakup thing. It is not always a bad thing at all. Tower is something like falling apart and rebuilding something. Okay, and it is kind of shocking news as well. There is some kind of shock that they are right now feeling for you. Let me clarify the Tower. King of Wands and the World. Knight of Swords. They are feeling like they should take the risk with you. They are suddenly realizing that they want you back in their life, and that's why they just want to wear their heart on the sleeves and take the risk with you, because they are feeling like the certain things are ending between you guys, but this is not the end. This is very complicated feelings, and they just want to rush in towards you. They just want to come towards you, running. They feel like they should just come towards you, running towards you, because they are suddenly realizing that they have lots of passion for you. They can't let you go, and all the things are ending between you guys. This is not the end. This is what they are feeling. This is a sudden realization, okay? And they just want to come towards you in a very rushing energy. They just want to rush towards you. They feel like they should rush towards you, and they should just come towards you, because they feel like maybe you are going to run away, or you are going to do certain thing that is not going to be in their favor. That's why they just want to rush in towards you. They feel like they should do like this. Sudden realization. Cool, let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. Okay. I try my best to explain each and everything that I get intuitively as well. What they want from you? The Magician. They want to manifest you. They want to manifest you and they want you to manifest them. The Magician card is here. I will explain this. I will, clarify this. For some of you, it could be manipulation as well, but for most of you, I feel like this person wants you to be the magician of your life and manifest them back in your life, or they just want you to manifest them, or they just want to manifest you back in their life. There's certain kind of manifestation process that is happening, might be consciously or subconsciously, but this is happening. Let me clarify the Magician. This person is definitely manifesting you, Taurus, definitely, and that's why this person wants you to manifest them back. This is kind of energy that, like, if I'm doing that, you should also do that, right? This is the kind of energy they are carrying right now. Four of Wands and the Tower again, and the Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, I'm sorry. What kind of manifestation it is? See, I feel like this person is right now feeling like, I know this is a want kind of energy, that I should tell you what they want. They want you to realize and be very clear and honest with them, with this relationship with them, that they want to have a committed relationship with you, that I can see here. They want to have a committed connection with you, committed long-term relationship with you. And this is a sudden realization again. They are suddenly realizing it, and they are very, very honest and clear about this, but not verbally. They are very clear and honest about this to themselves, but they are not doing it or telling you this because they are feeling like concealing or hiding is the best idea right now. And what they want from you, they want to have a long-term committed relationship with you. They are manifesting a long-term committed relationship with you because they have a sudden realization and a sudden feeling, but again they are concealing and trying to hide their feelings. See, this is what they want from you. They want to manifest a marriage and long-term committed relationship with you because they are suddenly realizing, suddenly their old belief is falling apart, and they are suddenly realizing that yes, this is what they want. Queen of Wands is a very clear and honest person, but she is not very emotional. So this person is realizing that yes, this is what they want from you, solid committed relationship with you, but I don't feel like this person is ready to tell you this. Okay? Okay. Cool. Let me see what is coming towards you till 21st of October. Yeah. This is my favorite day. 21st of October is my favorite day. I don't know why. I feel like good about that day. Three of Pentacles. I feel like you guys are going to put in effort, put in energy, and put in work in this connection. Both of you. There will be team effort. Three of Pentacles is here. So it is like team efforts. You guys are going to work on this connection. Okay, both of you are going to work on this connection. There will be certain kind of mixing up, and there will be certain kind of work going on in this connection from both of you. This is beautiful. The Star is here, and the Five of Wands is here, and the Two of Swords is here. Okay, I feel like there will be hope. You could be dealing with an Aquarius here. You could be dealing with a Libra here. Lots of swords are here. So air sign is here: Libra, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Aquarius again. The Star is also Aquarius energy, and Wands is also here. So basically, I feel like most of you guys are dealing with air sign here: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. So Three of Pentacles is telling me that there is both teamwork coming in from both the parties, because there is certain hope or healing that is done or that is happening. And after this healing, you guys are going to resolve this fight, whatever fight you guys are having in the recent past. Again, you guys are on the crossroads. So you are going to resolve the situation and put in the effort, put in the energy. It's a teamwork in this connection. Okay? Cool. This is what is happening with you till 21st. So thank you so much, Taurus, for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.